Hey, it's good to see you again.
Thank you.
I'm here with Peter at Classic Custom. I always get it the wrong way
Wrong
around.
way, I've got a lot of people do that, so.
Classic Custom. And this look at you've got a 3 Series up there. Look at that. This is amazing. Hey, show me what you're doing around here.
This car, as you know, it's an E30 Convertible. Customers come in, said he wants a Pandem body kit put on it. And the actual Pandem body kit is actually designed for...
Siri's gone mad. Siri's like, what's going on here? But yeah, so that's quite a bit of work on that one. But also, like you're saying that you've actually had to refabricate stuff just to get it to line up here.
Because this body kit is actually designed for a coupe.
Yeah.
Not a convertible. So
I was surprised that there's actually that much difference, and there's a fair bit of cutting has happened already.
Yeah. As you can see, all this art has been cut out from the back here at the moment as well. And those panels, we had to prep panels because it's a coupe one. There's loads of gaps in between the kit and the body.
Yeah.
So to go back and put some fiberglass bits in it. So I mean, customers saying just put it on. But me being me, if you want to do things properly.
Right.
He wants to make it into a sort of a show car.
Right.
And then people are going to say, why is that gap there? Why
is this there? If it's going to be a show car, it's got to look good,
like
right?
There was a massive...
Is that like an issue for you? Like, because if people say it's a show car, then it kind of has your name on it, doesn't it?
Of course it does, yeah.
So that becomes like a reputation thing, 100%. Right?
And if the customer doesn't want to go the full hog, and he wants to go and show his car on shows, then I'm not going to take the job on.
Yeah.
Because this obviously our names on it, and we want to do a proper job. And if the customer doesn't want to pay the right money, he wants to cut corners, it's not the kind of work we want to do.
No, it's amazing. I saw your cars at the event, the Show and Shine, which was incredible. That's actually Kirpal's car under there. You know, the organizers of Show and Shine. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. I had a sneak peek. What? Whoa. You've got a lovely pair of Germans here. What's going on here then?
It's all going on. So this car come to us probably about 6 months ago. We're working on it slowly. So we've had it completely resprayed.
All right.
Top to bottom. The hard top, everything being repainted. So the car bodywork has come out immaculate.
So you've done the whole thing on this one? All right. What about the interior?
Interior as well.
Oh, you've done the interior as well?
We've done the interior.
From here I can see that's gorgeous.
Yes. So Napa leather, all the dashboards being redone.
Oh, did you have the upholstery redone?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, I've got a great guy in Germany who works very close with us.
Right.
Germany, so in Poland.
Right.
So every couple of weeks he comes, sends someone down. Yeah. We put interiors on him, takes them away. He does them for him, brings it back, and we put everything back in again.
Wow, I mean that's gorgeous. This thing is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
This one you're going to be working on.
Yeah.
There's one behind me I'm not going to put on camera because I know that's a grand. That's a bit of a secret one.
We have seen it, but we haven't shown it.
But I know you want to surprise somebody with that, so I'm not going to. So it's a bit of a car SOS type thing that you've done. 100%. So I'm not going to show that on camera. This is a lovely banana Porsche, right?
This 996 Turbo is mainly coming. Just to tighten up, front bumper needs to be painted. He's got a few indents here and all that. So I'm just waiting for the customer he's gone on holiday. We're just waiting for him to come back and then we can finalize what needs to be done to this car.
That's pretty cool. And that's yours, isn't it?
That's mine.
Yeah, we saw this at the show, didn't we? This one.
21 Cup there as well.
Oh yeah. That's a cute car. And this has got all on the air suspension. This one. Yeah.
I mean, they both got air suspension.
Right. In here, I want to just have a look over here because you've got a few cars you're working on. First of all, you've got a Cosworth. Wow, and you've had to do a lot to that.
Yes, I'll show you what we had to do to this one. So this car has been brought back from the dead.
No way.
Yes. Initially coming for just a bit of side skirts at the bottom, a little hole. Said, listen, can we weld the plate up? Said, no problem, come in. That's when I was on my previous unit. Took the side skirt off, the kit panel off. Massive hole, another hole. Okay. Might need to just change the outer seals, cut the outer seals off, whole inner seals gone. Cut the inner seal out, floor's gone. Cut that floor out, the other side spiraled out of control.
Oh my God.
Really badly. And at a point I had even said to the customer, shall we just scrap it?
Yeah.
Is it really worth doing it? And he said, no, I want it done.
Yeah.
So,
to be fair, it's a Cosworth and they are rocketing in value right now.
They are rocketing in value, yes. Yeah. So we've gone ahead and really in and out. Let me see if I can jack this car up. I'll show you the extent we have gone on this car.
Oh wow.
Whole new floors,
Wow.
outer seals, inner seals. Everything's been powder coated underneath. This is the original color when they come out from the factory as well.
Right.
So we've gone back like that.
Wow. That's extraordinary, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean this is pretty much this is just rolled out of the factory really, isn't it?
Yeah. So we've got last bit of connections to do and everything. And hopefully we'll have this car painted. Oh, the owner's here as well.
Hello owner. We're just admiring your car.
He was here a minute ago.
It's fixed, it's fine, it's sorted. Don't worry about it. Let's have a quick look at this because this fascinated me. I saw this on your Instagram.
So this,
and this has got a new front end on it.
Yeah, BMW M535. Again, they had to come in for a respray. Come in at my old garage. Put it on the ramp, and we thought, no,
Yeah.
this is some serious work. So since then, because it needed so much work done to it, we actually parked the car. It's been parked up for about 6 months now.
Right.
6-7 months we never touched it because the project had turned into a major build rather than just a respray and a couple little welds here and there. It turned out to be massive. All this front on the old.
So we can actually see, if we look inside the engine bay, we can actually see how much work has
So
been done to
this
it.
is a whole new front of another E28, I should say. So all this was rusted on the front. This was rusted, that was rusted. So it was, we can't keep going and back and putting panels on. Customer said, okay, I'm going to get you a new front end. Got us a new front end. And even then, Klaus sat around for a little while. Managed to find time now. Got a brilliant welder on board now as well. It's come on full time. And so now we'll all go on this one.
That's amazing.
So all this has been welded on.
And this is also going to be a show car, isn't
This
it?
is going to be a show car, yes.
Yeah.
We're going all out on this car.
Wow.
So all this section here, if you come see all this section, all that section's been welded in.
Wow.
This side and that side. As you can see, he's just got this bit ready here to weld this section in. Got there. So we've got someone else had put some new side seals on. They've done a terrible job. The door itself, when you opening it, it was bending there because they didn't put the seals on properly.
Oh, no.
So now we've cut the old seals, those seals out, and we're putting new seals on now. Touch wood, the inner seal seems fine at the moment. Still got the other side to,
right.
take
Oh,
off.
okay.
So I don't know what's still left on there. Got a new door going on here, new bonnet going on.
Wow.
And if you come around the back here, we've got all this section here to weld. All this section, same on this side here. But considering how much work we've done in the front, this is...
No, nothing
This is
compared to
easy
that.
work,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I mean-
It doesn't look too bad back here.
But initially, if
Yeah.
someone else
When you
would
got, I
think,
mean, this is basically the rain gutter, isn't it? That's doing
but
this.
someone else would think this is a major job to do.
Yeah.
But to us,
Compared to what you've done there.
what we've
yeah,
done,
exactly.
what we've done on
Yeah,
this car,
Yeah.
it's easy. For Bill welding to do there. Got the side seal to take off here. Hopefully, thank God the inner seal's fine. If that's fine, bolt on the new.
Would it be ready in time for the summer events then?
We are hoping to get this.
Right.
We're hoping to get this ready for the WOC show.
Excellent. So we'll see it there.
Yes,
It's amazing.
you can see.
So just wrap up. Tell me who you are, where you are, how can people find you?
So basically, Classic Custom, we're like a one-stop shop. Rather you taking your car, getting bodywork done somewhere else, suspension done somewhere else, welding done somewhere else, we will do everything in one place. One leather interior done, everything. If we don't do it, we'll call someone in here to get it done.
Awesome.
Your car does not need to leave our place.
It's good to catch up with you again, buddy.
Yes, thank you, bud. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Brown car guy.
Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video as well if you can. And while you're at it, check out these guys who also sponsor my content. I am deeply grateful to them because it helps me to buy new equipment, put fuel in the cars, and yes, buy a cup of coffee. You can do the same. Just go here or right here on YouTube. Just hit these 3 little dots down here and click on thanks. Make sure you're signed in first. My content is free, but this is how you can help me keep it that way. I may even send you a gift. Oh, by the way, watch this next.